Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post something new. Today is just going to be my Tip Tuesday, so it's going to be short and sweet. My tip for today is going to tell you about taking care of your wine glasses, your hand-painted wine glasses. Now, my hand-painted wine glasses are actually dishwasher safe according to the manufacturer of the paint that I use, which is Folk Art Enamels, and Folk Art multi-surface paints. Then I also coat my painted glassware with a Mod Podge dishwasher safe gloss. However, with all that being said, I still would recommend treating it like fine china, meaning that you don't put it in the dishwasher and you do not use any abrasive type cleaners or pads that you would actually clean your dishes with. Now, this type of pad would be okay as long as you're actually using this side, which is a soft sponge, and not this side. Do not use this side because you're going to scrape the paint. Now, if you take care of your hand-painted glass, as I mentioned, it will last for a long time and be around for you to serve your guests, whenever they come over. So you want to make sure that you handle it properly so that you will be able to have it to enjoy. The other tip, maybe I should put this as a different tip, do not ever let your hand-painted glassware sit in standing water. When you wash it, immediately dry it with a soft towel. Paper towels, I like to use Bounty because they don't have a lot of dust or lint that come off of them. So whatever you have in your home, as long as it's not rough, it's a soft surface, soft rag, that type of thing will be perfect for you. Or just let them sit in the sink even. If you have a drainer type thing where you can sit them and let them air dry, that's fine too, as long as there's not a bunch of water on them. If you sit them in water and let them sit like that, the paint is going to soften up and be easy to remove. If you forget, put these on the bottom shelf of a dishwasher. If you say, I don't care, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the dishwasher, put them on the top rack. You put them on the bottom rack, I'm going to guarantee that some of your paint will be missing when you pull out your glass. Guarantee. It's not going to stay on. It's too hot. If for some reason you're someone that has a commercial grade dishwasher, meaning it's very hot, yes, the dishwasher gets hot, but commercial grade actually gets even hotter. I don't know what the temperature differences are. Don't put your glassware in those, because regardless of top or bottom shelf, it's going to take your paint off. So bottom line is, if you want to preserve your glassware and have it around to be able to enjoy and serve, whether you're drinking your own favorite beverage from it or you're serving your guests and using it for special occasions, treat it like fine china and you'll be good to go. Alright, if you like my video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't done that already. And share this video with all your friends and family. I appreciate the helping me grow my channel. If you have any comments, questions, please leave those down below. If you like this video and you want to make a comment, I'd love to hear from you. Or if you have any suggestions or tips that you'd like for me to share with others, I'd be more than glad to do that too, or get your ideas on what else to do on my Tip Tuesdays. Anyways, have a good one. Until the next video, I will talk to you then.